Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on this device. So first you go into the Google folder, and after that launch the Google application. Now just here click on the right upper corner and tap into the settings. After that click to the Google account, or no, to the Google Assistant, sorry, and scroll all the way down to the general options. After that, just to turn off Google Assistant, you should click here once on the switcher and confirm to turn it off. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.